Hi, welcome to Tech Tips and Tech Stuff. My name is Ron, and today I'm going to share with you an excellent piece of software that's 100% free. What it does is it scans your hard drive for any kind of malware infection. Now, if you're watching this video, probably 10% of you watching this video out there are infected and you don't even know it. I tried this scanner when I first heard about it on my 3 computers. 2 computers are clean, but this one here was infected with a malware. It was a bit of PUP, potentially unwanted program. And what this piece of software did on my computer, it went right through past Norton antivirus. And actually, it's Norton Internet Security. Norton Internet Security didn't even pick it up. It went right past it. And what this piece of software does on the computer is when you go to websites with ads, instead of seeing the ads the website wants you to see, this piece of malware shows you the ads they want to see. So basically, you're not seeing the ads the website is promoting. You're seeing ads that the software wants you to see. So anyways, this piece of software cleaned that piece of crap off my hard drive. And I wanted to share this with you. This is an excellent piece of software. It's better than Malwarebytes, better than Spybot Search and Destroy. It doesn't install on your computer. All it does is it extracts files. So what you can do, if you don't want to have it installed on your C drive, put it on a flash drive and run it from a flash drive. So all you have to do to download it, it's a free download. You don't have to register or nothing. You just click download. It'll start up. Save the file. I'm saving the file. Once you download it to your hard drive, run the program. It's going to extract to your C drive or to a flash drive, whatever you prefer. When you're finished, this is what it's going to look like here. I'll fire it up and show you. On my C drive, it's got a folder here. Once again, this is not installed. This is extracted. You can delete all these files after you're finished if you want. But I'm keeping it on my system because I really like this piece of software. So fire it up. Just search for an update right now. Last time I checked was 11 hours ago, so it'll probably be an update. It'll update it throughout the day with malware definitions so I can find out the newest malware out there. See if there's an update for it. Okay, so now it's updated. Now we can start a scan. Let's go to scan. So we're going to do a quick scan. Just a real quick scan. And it's going to scan your computer for any type of malware on your computer. The great thing about this software is there's nothing installed on your computer. There's no registry files, nothing in your program files. It's all extracted to your hard drive or to a flash drive. That's one thing I really like about this software. And it's always updated. It's right to the minute updated. And what they're doing is they're giving this product away free. So if you want to have real-time protection, you can sign up and download a real-time protection software from them for malware. It doesn't replace your antivirus on your computer. It's basically strictly for malware only. So here's my hard drive. It came back, all clean. Make sure it stays that way. And try to sell you the program. And I'm not going to install their program. I'm just going to run this every week or every 2 weeks on my computer. Just to make sure everything's clean. Because Norton will not pick up everything. And if Norton or any other software you have is letting malware through, it's time to evaluate it to find out if you really want to keep that on your computer. So just wanted to pass this along to you guys. It's just an excellent piece of software. I'll put a link in the description box below where you can download it from. So if you found this video helpful, please give it a thumbs up, subscribe, and as always, thank you for watching.